Today I'll teach you how to use select query using Dapper in ASP.NET.
So let's start. We'll start by adding a GridView control. Now I'm adding columns to the GridView. I'll be adding 3 bound fill columns: customer ID, name and country.
For more information on Dapper, using Dapper and installing Dapper, please refer to the video on the right hand side.
Now our GridView is ready. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is
Dapper.
The next one is system.data, then system.configuration, and finally system.data.sql client. Now inside the page load event handler, I am writing the if notice postback condition. Here I have created a select SQL query. I have created a string variable, and inside that I am reading the connection string from the web.config file. I have created an object of SQL connection class and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor.
Here I am making use of iDataReader, which is written from the executeReader function of the Dapper library.
Now I am creating an object of DataTable which will be filled using DataReader. Once the DataTable is populated with data, it is assigned to the data source property of the GridView control. And finally, the data bind function of the GridView control is called. The population part of the GridView is completed. Now let's run the code and see the GridView. As you can see, the GridView is displaying data. So with this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned
how to use select query using Dapper in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.